Next point, that is a physical quantity. The physical quantity have two category, that is scalar and vector quantity. First we have told about the scalar quantity. What is scalar quantity? Those physical quantity which have only magnitude but do not have a direction are called scalar quantity. Example like mass, time, distance, speed, volume, density, work, power, energy, temperature or current. They do not have direction but have a magnitude, so they are called scalar quantity. When we have moving to the next point, that is a vector quantity, then those physical quantity which have both magnitude as well as specific direction are known as vector quantity, and vector quantity are represented by a arrow on a head. Second example of that is a displacement, force, acceleration and velocity. We have pointing that there the arrow on their head, it represent the direction of the uh, quantities. Some note point that the distance traveled by a moving body cannot be zero, but displacement by moving body can be zero. For example, we have moving to our BLS school from our home, we cover distance, and after coming from the BLS inter college to our home, that is total distance cover from home to school and school to home. But in the case of displacement, we get reach the same origin, a same point from where we have to start our journey. So our displacement is zero. So distance never be zero, but displacement may or may not be zero. For example, in a circular track like a round and reach their same position, so the displacement of the body is zero, but distance travel is equal to circumference of a circle, that is 2 pi r. We have moving to the type of motion. The motion have two type, that is uniform and non-uniform motion. We are talking from the uniform motion. If a body travel equal distance in equal time interval, and this is called a uniform motion, no matter how the smaller time interval, because the time interval is second, millisecond, nanosecond or in an hour. The distance time graph for the uniform motion is straight line. That means that is passing from the origin or maybe up or lower from the origin, but it's straight line. It means that the body travel equal distance in equal time interval. For example, a car moving with the constant speed of 10 meter per second, that means it every second it covered 10 meter. For the non-uniform motion, if a body travel unequal distance in an unequal time interval is called non-uniform motion, and the distance line graph of non-uniform motion is curved line. In this figure it is clear that is not a straight line, it is curved line. From example, ball drop from the roof. That we have gone to the other point, that is speed. Speed definition: the distance traveled by an object in per unit time is known as speed. It is a scalar quantity because it does not depend on the direction. The formula, that is speed equal to distance travel upon time taken. L or D, distance for the and T for the time taken. The formula is V equal to L by T, or by your choice, that is V equal to D by T. Unit, that is length, this is the path of length, meter, time in second, meter per second, or centimeter to centimeter per second, or kilometer per second, or kilometer per hour. It is a always positive value, that means it never be negative, because length never be negative, so the speed value is never negative. We are talking about next point, that is the average distance. It denoted by V average and by this symbol. That means the total distance traveled by body, and which is divided by the total time taken to cover the distance, is known as average distance. That other definition, that the ratio of total distance travel and by total time taken. The formula is average speed equal to total distance travel upon total time. And the formula is V average different path traveled, that is L1, L2, and the time taken in to cover this distance, that is T1, T2 and T3. Next point, the speedometer which we have to see in our vehicles like bikes, car, it show the speed of vehicle, and the odometer in the vehicle show the distance traveled by vehicle or a object. We are talking about type of speed. There are three type of speed: uniform speed, non-uniform speed, this is also known by variable speed, and instantaneous speed. We have first point, that is uniform speed. If a body or object travel equal distances in equal time interval, this is called uniform speed. For the variable speed, if an object or a body travel unequal distance in unequal time interval, this is called non-uniform speed or variable speed. For we have moving third point, that is instantaneous speed, that is speed of an object or a body at a specific time, it is called instantaneous speed. That means for like 10 second, 20 second, 50 second, that a specific time interval, then the speed of body at that time we have called it is instantaneous speed. And moving to the next point, that is the velocity, and by this symbol you have know that is the vector quantity. That means it is vector quantity, not a scalar, and it have both magnitude as well as direction. That is displacement per unit time is called velocity, the first definition. On the second definition, it is the distance covered by the body in a specific direction in a unit time interval. It may be negative or positive value because displacement may be positive, may be negative or 0, but length distance of path will always a positive value, not be 0 value. The formula, that is speed equal to displacement upon time, that the definition, simple representation, that is V arrow, S is the displacement, or T upon time, that is meter per second unit or the kilometer per hour. Type of velocity as like speed, uniform velocity, non-uniform or variable velocity, and the last one, that is the average. If the equal distance is traveled in equal time interval is called as uniform speed. If unequal displacement is traveled in unequal time interval, this is known as non-variable velocity, that is average velocity. Definition, that is the ratio of total displacement covered by the body in total time taken. V average, that is total displacement upon total time, and the formula V average arrow, that is indicated, that is a vector quantity, D1, that is first displacement, second displacement, third displacement, as so on, and the time taken T1, T2 and T3 as so on. That is the formula